Hi guys!
Hi!
Welcome back to our
Channel! I'm going to keep the cookies for Santa.
Okay, go on. Go and place it under the tree, okay? Here.
Under the tree.
Yeah. Here is where you're supposed to place it. A little visible so that Santa can see the cookies. Okay.
So I have placed the cookies for Santa.
Okay.
And he will give me some presents.
He will come eat your cookies and
He'll come and eat my cookies and give presents.
okay. Okay, now time to go to bed. Shall we go? So tonight Santa will come eat your cookies and he will leave you presents. And tomorrow morning we'll open them up, okay? Okay, look here. Okay.
Okay. Happy Christmas, everyone, and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Very good. The Christmas lunch table is set. I bought these dinner plates from Kmart. They're looking very gorgeous, isn't it? So this is your
Lunch.
what lunch?
Special lunch.
Huh?
Special lunch.
Say louder.
It's my special lunch because today is Christmas morning.
Afternoon.
Yeah, Christmas Eve. Yeah, Christmas.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Glenn, how was your Christmas?
Good.
It's going on good. So we are here, all dressed up for Christmas.
And ready to open up presents.
Okay, so we are all dressed up and we're sitting in front of the
Christmas tree.
For what? For opening up our
Presents!
right.
My favorite part of the Christmas year.
Is what?
Opening presents.
Okay, so Nolan, I, David and Glenn and my mom and dad, we are here. We are gonna go ahead and open up our Christmas presents. So we are here to share our happiness and joy and peace with one another. Hopefully you guys also will go ahead and share lots and lots of happiness, peace, joy and success. Shall we go ahead and share the presents?
Yes.
Okay.
Finally.
So we are going to exchange gifts now. So the first gift is for whom? For Glenn. Okay? Okay, Glenn. Let's your gift. Go ahead and select your gift. The next thing also, I think it's for Glenn. Come.
I'm gonna open this one.
First, wait. So this is also for
Glenn.
Glenn. Okay, so this is also for Glenn.
Glenn. Put it down.
This is also for Glenn.
My favorite.
Okay, so this is for Archie. Okay, Mama. Wait, let her come.
And
So this is for
Archie.
Fine. Thank you. The next one, this is for
Jesus.
no, this is for Glenn.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Little socks is for Glenn. Here.
Thank you. So much presents for me.
I
And this
know.
big one is for Nolan.
Nolan. So where is Nolan? Nolan, come here.
Yay! This handy bag, I can carry this. It's no problem.
Present. Okay, this is another gift for
Glenn.
Glenn. Here, have it.
From a friend. Which has chocolate in it. Yum.
Come on. So this biggest gift is for
Nolan.
Nolan. open Nolan's. Hold it
I wanna
here.
open mine.
First, let's open Nolan's. Wait. Nolan, come on, let's open. Hey. Hey, Nolan ma. What is this?
Yeah.
Yes, it's for you.
For you, Nolan.
Oh, this is for
Nolan. Hey, no one play with
This is
us.
for Nolan. Okay, it's for you only, baby. It's for you only, baby. Okay, Baba. Okay,
I will
Baba.
do mine now. Star Scream. Now I can open.
Okay.
Can you open this? Oh my God! My Lego plane. This is so awesome. Wow! The best day ever. Lock. Oh, Starscream. Give me that. Yay, yay, Starscream.
So what is this one? This is a.
My Lego. Da-da-da-da.
So this is a Lego
Lego.
plane. This is for Glenn, right? So Glenn, you got a special gift from a neighbor, right?
Right.
So what did you get?
I got this.
To Glenn and family, love, Ashton and Havana here.
Yeah.
Read, Glenn.
Oh, what?
Read the card here.
What does it say?
What does it say? You tell me. It says to Glenn.
gifts from Ashton and Havana.
What is this? Have a.
Have a Merry Christmas.
Okay. Here. Be gentle while opening. Be gentle. Don't rip. Okay. Be gentle. Very good.
Chocolate.
So you got some chocolates from them. You got some Belgian chocolates.
Yum.
Some Belgian chocolates.
I'll keep continuing on my stuff.
What about this one? You got to open this one too.
I'm gonna
Listen
open
this.
Chocolate,
Here. Wait. Let me help you.
I got some chocolate. Yum. So good chocolate.
Some Lindt chocolate and a Christmas mug.
Yum.
Okay. So a lot of Lindt chocolates and some Christmas mug.
Maybe I can't do this. I don't. My Peppa Pig book. What? The Hulu present. Like,
Here, it's over here.
yeah, over there.
Yeah.
Which is a fish coloring book. You'll see, David. Wow.
So this is an artist collection.
Yeah.
What is it?
Artist collection.
Collection what?
It's a collection
Of what?
of fish.
Not.
Oh,
It's what?
oh, you have to draw.
It's watercolor pencils.
Oh wow, my favorite.
Doesn't even know what it is and it's your favorite, huh? Happy,
Christmas
and a Happy New Year.
Have a good Christmas.
And a
Happy New Year.
happy and a blissful and a joyous
New Year.
2021. Okay, Nolan, say bye. Nolan,
Have
say
fun
bye.
with your Legos and toys.
Hi guys. Glenn, say hi. David, say hi. You wanna say hi?
Hi.
Right. So this is the next day of Christmas, morning around afternoon time. Yesterday we were so busy, so we couldn't distribute sweets and Christmas cookies to everyone. So today we are doing that job. So we are on our way to distribute our Christmas cookies and sweets. Yeah, Glenn's friends and everyone. So we have almost covered our neighbors. So whomever we have to go in the car to give, you're on the way. So Glenny, how was your Christmas?
Good.
Did you have a good fun Christmas?
Yeah,
Did you?
I built my Lego.
Yeah. So yesterday evening only Glenn got his present, and today morning it is almost done. since it's his school holidays, I thought it's gonna keep him busy and active for another 2 to 3 days. But no, he took maximum one morning to finish it, and still a couple of more things here and there he will tweak it, and I'm sure he will finish the whole set today. Right, Glenn? Okay, fine. Right, so I thought today I will go out and do a little bit of because today it's a Boxing Day sale. You can find so many good finds for a very cheaper price. But unfortunately, I hope you guys are following news. We are asked to stay in because of the COVID situation. So we couldn't go out anywhere, and the premier has asked us to do whatever shopping you gotta do it online. So that's what we are planning to do, online shopping. Right, Glenn, do you have any requests for some shopping?
Nah,
David, you have some requests? No?
I know good.
Seriously? I'm sure this is on camera. When I switch off the camera, there is going to be a lot of requests here and there, left and right. Right?
I saw an excavator with like one scoop
See?
and another scoop.
It's coming already. Okay, fine.
And a mountain with a house on it.
See? You said no and now you are saying so many. Right. So that is the latest update. Since it is COVID situation, we are asked to stay in. So we couldn't go out anywhere. We had so many plans actually. We were planning on visiting some nearby places to see some
Going to the
Christmas
beach?
lights. Yeah, going to the beach. Lot of plans, but unfortunately,
It got cancelled.
yeah, it got cancelled. Yes. It's okay. I'm sure the situation will be soothed very soon, and it will be straightened very soon, and we will start exploring and we will start our travel vlogs very soon. Yes, Glenn? Yes, David?
Yeah.
Hopes God I live on it.
Another Audi.
Yes, okay, fine. So, okay, guys, that's the latest update from us. Stay tuned, and more vlogs are coming up. If you haven't subscribed, what should you do, Glenn?
Subscribe.
Yeah, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yeah. Hi guys. Glenn, say hi.
Hi.
So where are we going?
We going to see the lights?
Christmas lights. So I was supposed to go yesterday, but I was a little late.
I saw some back then. Some was so beautiful.
It was beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Right.
There's like some on the roof and like Santa Claus and the reindeer.
Okay, so we are on the way to see some Christmas lights. It's a little raining, nevertheless, I'm sure it's going to be gorgeous and wonderful. There are so many houses who have decorated their porch and backyard, and the trees in the front of their houses so beautifully. First, we are going to go to Hillsong, right? Hillsong Church. They have really made a display of the Christmas lights. So we're gonna go there first. I'm gonna show you guys the Christmas lights. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me on this drive so that I can show you guys the Christmas lights in Sydney. Shall we go? Let's go!
Yay!
Shall we go, Glenn?
Yay!
Yay! Are you excited?
Yes.
David, are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let's go! Hope you all had a great Christmas. If you guys like my video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button.